What's good, Pyros? Got some more vintage retro 1970s pyro here for you. This is the original horse brand Conic fireworks fountain. It's a mini fountain. It's about 2.5 inches tall. And let me zoom in there. You know it's DOT Class C. Look at that old school braided cloth handmade fuse with all the nice colors. I'm going to get her lid here, see what she does. Bear with me. All right. Here we go, Pyros. They do not make them like that anymore. Like, comment, subscribe. See you soon, guys.